While opening any social media or YouTube, the most common words or topics that come on top are the words with K at the start. Yes, we are talking about K-drama and K-pop, most viral and talk sections of the entertainment world that started growing suddenly. But more than K-pop and K-dramas, another culture of South Korea has made its biggest impact on the world. It's the K-beauty routine, which has made its place in the forefront of the beauty industry and is still growing rapidly. Impressive, isn't it? But how this East beauty concept grew its popularity in the globe is a big question though. So in today's video, we have gathered tons of information about how K-beauty is taking over the global skincare market and got viral globally. So without waiting anymore, let's jump into the K-beauty world. As mentioned before, K-beauty has taken over the hearts of beauty enthusiasts, and it has taken over the global market share too. If we break down the statistics of the global beauty market, it is valued at about $511 billion in 2021, from which the K-beauty products have snapped nearly $10.3 billion. Huge, isn't it? From the very first, Koreans are very concerned about their beauty and start proper skincare from a very early age. They follow a 10-step skincare routine regularly, including 2 cleansers, sheet masks, creams, and more. And the result of this strict skincare routine is clearly seen on their face. For getting detailed information about the Korean skincare routine, you can go through our video on 10-step Korean skincare routine. Link will be given in the description. Coming back to K-beauty popularity, while the outer world was more loving to put on makeup on face, Koreans have given more value to skincare. They go with the rule skincare first, which has gradually captured the hearts of beauty enthusiasts, and now everyone is following their step. We are also witnessing many non-Korean beauty influencers slathering K-beauty products, wearing face masks, and getting more concerned about skincare. On the YouTube beauty community, many beauty gurus are seen using K-beauty products, giving reviews and making comparisons with beauty industries, which made a great impact on the growth of K-beauty. What we see on screens made an impact on our minds. This philosophy is well used by the K-beauty market to grow their business, promoting their skincare products on social media platforms through great storytelling, beautiful Korean celebrities as brand ambassadors, and tremendous stream of advertising and video tutorials all over Facebook and Instagram are the major marketing strategies applied by K-beauty brands. With that, South Korean beauty products have influenced the beauty market with their unique skincare concept and captured 70% of the skincare market in the past 10 years. Moreover, they always bring up cool packaging and unique formulas that make Korean products more admiring to youth. They use unique ingredients such as snail slime, bee venom, starfish extract, pig collagen, and morphing masks in their products, which is very rare in other countries. Also, the natural benefits and unique ingredients of K-beauty products have also created a vast opportunity for expansion in the global market. K-beauty products mostly focus on wellness and health. Each and every product manufactured using natural ingredients are clearly labeled on the packaging. So people are now more likely to trust beauty products and give a shot at these unique products. Furthermore, K-beauty brands use easily remembered names that stay for a long time in the customer's mind and influence them to get this product more. In conclusion, it should be said, there is no single thing that has made K-beauty successful. Unique ideas, tremendous marketing, and their history of skincare routines have all worked together to make K-beauty successful. And now it is estimated that K-beauty will take over $13.9 billion by 2027. So let's wait and see if the estimation is going to be right or not. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.